In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office on Salesforce. While Salesforce doesn't have a single built-in out of office switch like your email does, you can quickly quiet the reminder emails that tend to pile up while you're away. That way, you won't return to a wall of notifications for tasks and events you missed during your break. Here's how to do it smoothly and safely. First, open Salesforce and sign in as you normally would. Once you're on the home screen in Lightning Experience, look to the top right corner and click your profile avatar. This opens a small menu where you can access personal options. From that menu, choose Settings. This is your personal settings area, different from the admin setup, and it's where you control your own preferences. Inside Settings, use the search bar at the left, sometimes called Quick Find. Type Activity Reminders. This is the section that controls how Salesforce reminds you about tasks and events. Open that page to view your current reminder preferences. On the Activity Reminders page, you'll see options related to email reminders and sometimes desktop or browser reminders. Since we're preparing to be out of office, focus on the email-related settings. Uncheck the email settings so Salesforce stops sending reminder emails while you're away. This helps reduce noise in your inbox without changing or deleting any of your activities. Your tasks and events stay exactly where they are. You're simply pausing the emails about them. After you've unchecked the email reminder options, scroll if needed and click Save. That's the key step that applies your changes. You should see a brief confirmation or simply return to the page with your updated preferences. A few helpful notes as you do this. The wording of the checkboxes can vary slightly depending on your organization's setup, but the intent is the same. Turn off email reminders for activities. If you don't see activity reminders in your settings, your administrator may have customized menus or limited access. In that case, reach out to your internal support team for guidance. Also, this change won't stop other kinds of Salesforce emails your organization may send, like system alerts or approval notifications, but it will significantly cut down on the routine reminder mail you'd otherwise receive. Before you head out, consider leaving yourself a note or calendar event to turn these reminders back on when you return. When you're back, revisit the same page, recheck the email reminder options, and save again. And that's it. You've successfully set yourself up for out-of-office time in Salesforce by pausing activity reminder emails and keeping your inbox under control.